Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. Whether you're looking for crystal clear footage, night vision, or reliable parking mode, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dash cam. 4K front and 4K rear recording. Free 128GB memory card included. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video transfer. Built-in GPS and G sensor. 170 degrees wide-angle lens. 3-inch IPS screen. 24-hour parking mode. Supports up to 512 gigabytes SD card. This dash cam really shines in video quality. The dual 4K cameras give you crisp front and rear footage, perfect for capturing every detail. The Wi-Fi connectivity is fast and makes downloading footage effortless. The built-in GPS and G sensor add extra security and accident evidence features. Pros: ultra-high resolution 4K front and rear. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Large 3-inch IPS screen. Extensive storage support, up to 512 gigabytes. Cons: slightly larger size may be bulky for compact cars. Touchscreen response could be smoother. If you want the ultimate video clarity and fast file transfer, the TERUNSOUL is a solid choice. Number 2. 3-channel 4K dash cam. Triple camera, 4K front, plus 1080p inside, plus 1080p rear. Starvis 2 HDR for excellent night vision. GPS and 24-hour parking mode. Free 64GB card included. This 3-channel dash cam captures not just the road, but your cabin and rear as well. The Starvis 2 HDR sensor ensures clear night footage. Parking mode keeps your car monitored even when you're away. Pros: triple channel recording. Starvis HDR night vision. GPS for tracking and accident reports. Cons: 64GB card may need to upgrade it for long-term use. Slight learning curve for app interface. A great all-arounder for drivers who want full coverage with excellent night recording. Number 3. Real 4K 3-channel dash cam. 4K front plus 1080p inside plus 1080p rear. Starvis 2 HDR sensor. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS. 24-hour parking monitor. IR night vision and 3.3-inch IPS screen. Free 64GB card included. This dashcam emphasizes clarity and convenience. Its IR night vision works even in total darkness, and the large IPS screen makes playback and settings easy. Pros: excellent night vision. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Large screen for easy monitoring. Cons: slightly higher price point, can be bulky for smaller windshields. Perfect for those who prioritize night driving safety and high-resolution recordings. Number 4. ROVE R3 dash cam. 3-channel, 1440p front, plus 1080p rear, plus 1080p cabin. 3-inch IPS touchscreen. IR night vision and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and quad mode GPS. Supports up to 512 gigabytes SD card. The ROVE R3 focuses on smooth usability with its touchscreen and app integration. Video quality is solid, and the GPS adds accuracy for tracking your route. Pros: responsive touchscreen. Quad mode GPS for accurate location. Good night vision. Cons: slightly lower front camera resolution compared to 4K models. App may need updating for smoother operation. A reliable mid-range option with a balance of quality and usability. Number 5. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. 4-channel, 2.7K front, plus 1440p inside, plus 1080p rear, plus 1080p cabin. Starvis 2 night vision. 24/7 buffered parking mode. Wi-Fi, voice control, and dual GPS. Supports up to 1 terabyte SD card. The Vantrue N5S is all about coverage. Its 360-degree view ensures every angle is captured. The dual GPS and voice control are convenient, and it can store massive amounts of footage. Pros: 360-degree coverage with 4 cameras. Dual GPS and voice control. Supports huge storage, up to 1 terabyte. Cons: installation can be slightly complex. If you need full coverage and advanced features, the Vantrue N5S is worth the investment. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best dash cams for 2026. Whether you want crystal clear 4K footage, full cabin coverage, or advanced night vision, there's a dash cam here for every driver. Check the links in the description for the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews.